Hi. Wanted to give you a quick work in progress on the sonification program, sonification and learning program that I'm working on. But first, I wanted to show you this. This is a little app that I found on in the App Store called Touch OSC, which allows you to configure a user interface on an iPhone and generate open sound control messages. And since my program was written to use open sound control to communicate with the sequencer, it was very simple to integrate this functionality to be able to control the program with this iPhone, using it as a remote control device, which I actually need because we're testing motion. It's really a pain to have to go back and forth to the computer all the time to start recording. So if you look on the window on the left, let me put this in my hand here, you'll see that I can generate motion paths, kind of fun to draw in the air. I have a little threshold of motion based on the acceleration that kind of determines when the motion starts and stops. So we can generate these curves. Now with the iPhone, I have basically a record button, I have a stop, a playback button, and a clear button assigned at the moment. So let me record a very simple path. I'll press record, stop. So the green is a stored recorded path, and let me just play it back to make sure. Okay. So if you notice, as I move across the same path, the white line indicates that I'm close to the path within a given distance of tolerance, which is configurable. Now if I go away from the path, the red indicates that I'm further away. So red there, red there. You notice there's a little line, or I guess you would call it an affordance, drawn between the tracking point on my hand and the closest point in 3D to the path, using a nearest neighbor algorithm to compute that. So anyway, let's clear that. We'll try something a little more complicated. Let's try this. Oh, but I didn't record it, so let me try that again. I'll press record. And I'll press playback. There we go. And it's recorded. So, that's actually pretty good, all white. But as you get further, the tolerance is actually set pretty high. But you see, if you get the path wrong, you see the red. It means that you're too far. That's actually pretty good. So I think the next step is we are going to add sound. That's where the sonification comes in. And we'll do some more experiments to see how well the sonification can help direct the motion towards the path that we're trying to learn. So anyway, that's it for now. See you next time.